Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to integrate the Gemini API in React.js. First, ensure your React project is set up, perhaps using Create React App or Vite. Next, you'll need to obtain your unique Gemini API key from the Google AI Studio. Remember to keep this key secure. Finally, install the necessary client libraries, like the official Google Generative AI SDK for JavaScript, into your project using npm or yarn. Now, let's make an API call. Begin by importing the Gemini client library into your React component. Then, initialize the client using your API key, ensuring it's loaded safely, perhaps from environment variables. Construct your request payload, specifying the model and the prompt you wish to send. Finally, execute the API call and be ready to handle the response data or any errors that might occur. Once you receive a response from the Gemini API, you'll want to display it. Use React State Management, like the useState hook, to store the API's output. Then, render this data within your component's JSX, perhaps in a text area or a styled div. To make it interactive, implement an input field and a button so users can submit their own prompts and see dynamic Gemini responses. To wrap up, always prioritize security by never exposing your API key directly in client-side code. Implement robust error handling and display loading indicators for a better user experience. Consider exploring advanced Gemini API features, such as multi-turn conversations or function calling, to enhance your application. Finally, plan your deployment strategy, ensuring your React app and API calls are optimized for production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.